In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from a contact owner in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot to prepare a marketing email so it can be sent in a way that reflects each recipient's assigned contact owner, which is great for personalization and higher engagement. First, open your HubSpot trial guide. This guide acts like a curated starting point that routes you to the right tools. So launching from here keeps everything consistent with how HubSpot intends you to explore features. If you're already logged in, it will load you straight into the workspace you need. On the trial guide page, look for the More option and click it. This expands additional areas you may not see by default. It's a quick way to reveal the full set of tools available beyond the initial suggestions. From the expanded options, click Marketing. This takes you into HubSpot's marketing tools, where the email feature lives. If you work across multiple hubs, this keeps you anchored specifically in the part of HubSpot that controls your outbound campaigns. Next, click Email. You'll land on the marketing email dashboard, where you can view drafts, previously sent emails, and templates. This is your central control center for building, editing, and preparing the messages you want to send. Find the email you want to work with and click Edit. Opening the editor lets you adjust the content and, more importantly for today, access the send configuration you'll use to align the message with each contact's owner. If you're testing, a draft is perfectly fine here. Inside the editor, navigate to Send To. This area controls who will receive the email and how recipients are defined. It's where you align targeting with your database structure, which is essential if you want the message to reflect ownership at the contact level. Now click the drop-down in the Send options. This reveals the available choices for targeting and sending behavior. Here is where you'll see options that support owner-aware sending, allowing the email to be prepared in a way that leverages the contact-owner relationship. If your team uses personalized from settings or owner-based segments, this is the place where those options become visible so you can confirm your setup as intended. A quick tip before you move on. For owner-based sending to work smoothly, make sure contacts in your CRM actually have owners assigned, and that those owners have appropriate email permissions and connections. That way, each recipient experiences the email as coming from the right person on your team. And that's it. You've navigated to the email editor from the trial guide, opened the marketing email tool, moved into the Send To area, and surfaced the drop-down where owner-aware sending options live. This puts you in the right spot to finalize a contact owner-powered send.